really lost faith in our ability to even know how long it was taking us to do these jobs. Were we actually profitable? Did we actually allocate enough hours to each job? We are a low voltage security integrator that is a security cameras, intrusion devices, access control, BOP systems, as well as automatic gates and perimeter security fencing. Basically before, it was Excel spreadsheets, it was phone calls, it was a very manual verification across 3 layers of management. As we started to grow, as we started to get 2, 3 different sets of crews running around, quickly found out that using the Excel spreadsheet and calling and texting team members to get our hours was kind of turning into a administrative nightmare very quickly. But now that we have GPS verified geofencing, we have automatic clock-ins, we have mobile apps, it has just changed our lives for the better. I think once we finally looked at how much it was costing us in time, the real eye-opener was when we started looking at our proposals and trying to accurately add up our labor hours. It was starting to become a real burden, a real cost, besides just the grueling task of reaching out to techs and getting their times and days. It was literally affecting our bottom line and affecting our ability to quote jobs appropriately. I think it was taking 45 hours across 3 different layers of management to basically make sure timesheets were correct, texting, calling, verifying with technicians. I think we calculated it looked like it was costing us around $200 a week just in our own time. After Workyard, now it's a streamlined process. It's like 90% fewer timesheet misses. Before Workyard, there was no way we would have ever been able to keep up with how many texts went out, how many times, how many hours. Without Workyard, we would have had no idea how much we spent out there and how cheap job costs. This is definitely something that just paid for itself for the year right there. Personally, just for me, being able to spend that less time, an hour or 2 a week on timesheets and being able to start thinking about more bigger picture ideas for the company has been a massive unlock for us here as we kind of grow and start automating and creating processes around our work. Until you use it, it's one of those things that you really don't know how useful it can be and how much time you're really spending on a task until that task is gone. And as you know, just it's so busy here with all the things that we do and all the different disciplines. Having one less thing to worry about is worth its weight in gold.